Intro to layer masks. Alright, well, first of all, what's layer masks and what's masks in general? Well, mainly is the transparency of the layer and how you control it. It can be only have monochronical colors in grayscale. For example, between white, black and the various shades of gray in between. There are two types of masks in Photoshop, layer masks and clipping masks. In this lesson I'm going to show you how to use layer masks. In the other one, how to use clipping masks. Well, layer masks is one of the main features in Photoshop. This feature is being used by photographers, UI designers, YouTubers, artists and whoever you can imagine. Everyone uses layer masks in their life in Photoshop. So let's try them out. I have already downloaded and opened two images in one Photoshop document, New York skyline and Superman image. Let's say I want to remove the background from Superman image and place it nicely in an image so it looks good. So you can see that we want to remove the background. And well, first of all, select your Superman photo and press this layer mask button down here. You will see a new small window next to the actual image photo in a layer panel. This thing indicates that you have added layer mask to the layer itself. So secondly, to start working with layer masks is that black color reduces the opacity to 0%. And white color makes the opacity or transparency to 100%. So to better demonstrate this magic, grab your brush tool or just press the B key on your keyboard. Press right mouse button and change brush size right here. Now grab the black color in here and start painting around the Superman. As you can see, with black color, I'm reducing the transparency to 0% so I can see what's behind the Superman picture layer. In other words, I removed the background for the Superman. Well, if I grab white color and start painting, you will see that I'm bringing back the transparency to 0% and I am making our Superman image background reappear. We obviously don't want this in our case. And if you press Alt key on your keyboard and press on this layer mask small image over here, you can see what was painted. Let's finish the Superman image and place it perfectly in our collage.